Magluto po tayo ng ukoy. Ito po ang aking preparation. And I made my own butter. Yan. At ito, hinulma ko dyan. Then I put it here. Tapos, susutuhin po natin siya. Flatten it like this siguro para mas maganda. And same thing with this. Dapat ito may shrimp but I don't have time to, prepare the shrimp kasi frozen. This is all organic vegetables, no meat, and trying some healthy food. Kaya gumagawa ka ng ukoy na gawa sa organic vegetables. Ayan. Mamaya gagawa na lang po tayo ng suka. There you go. Yun yung isang naluto.